A few years ago, I wondered how do these famous Psytrance producers get such a cool bass? Tried to find them among many sample packs. As soon as a new sample pack appeared, I immediately downloaded it and hoped that there would be a good bass sample. And for the first time, that was enough for me. But there were always some small nuances missing in the sample. Somewhere I wanted to remove this excess, somewhere to add frequencies. That's why I decided to learn how to create my own bass in the VST instrument. And in the beginning, silent was the main tool for me. But then I saw that a lot of people use the Serum synth, so I decided to learn how to create a Psytrance bass in it. I reviewed a lot of tutorials on how to create a Psytrance bass. These tutorials were in different languages. I found streams that were not published anywhere. I bought different video tutorials, and in the end, by the method of many attempts and trials, I learned how to create it. And today I would like to show you this. If you are watching this video, you are tired of looking for a good Psytrance bass among tons of samples and want to learn how to create your own Psytrance bass. Hello everyone, I am Axel and you are watching how to make a basic Psytrance bass in Serum. So let's do this. But first, I'd like to say that I'm not going to go into detail here. I'm just going to show you what I do when I create a Psytrance bass for my tracks. I'll give you this preset for free. You can download it by going to my Discord server and you'll be able to customize it as you want. I'm just going to show you the basic settings that I'm making. Okay. So first we need a Serum, and now we need to choose a basic mini in analog. Go to edit, process and select flip vertical. And now we have this. Select -1 octave, enable filter, choose Mooglow 18. Now go to envelope 1, attack 0, hold 0, decay somewhere 200 millisecond. Sustain -11 and release 15 millisecond. Phase and rent drive to intro. Now enable a band plus minus. Volume 0 dB. And now go to envelope 2 and select attack 0, hold 0, sustain 0, at release 15, and decay time choose 63 millisecond. Now go to a filter and fill reso in 0. Then choose our envelope 2 and drag to frequency. Okay, next step we choose our velo and drag to our volume in oscillator A. Okay, now let's go on to our a fixed channel and enable a filter. Leave all the values as they are. Go to envelope 3 and let's make these numbers. Attack 0, hold 0, sustain 0, release 15, and decay time is 33 milliseconds. Okay, now drag our envelope 3 to our cutoff. So let's create a MIDI clip. Let's edit our parameters a bit.
A few moments later.
So yeah, I like it and our bass sounds good, but it can still be finished. For example, I can add a velocity. Then I can edit a first note. Can add a EQ. And add a vitamin by waves. And that I think will be toasty. Select all VST and group. Rename to Serum Psytrance base. And that's it. So yeah, thanks to everyone for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and see you in the next ones.